Hey, good morning. It's Edward and
Ethan.
we're on the way to Home Depot. Today we're going to
Fix the road.
We're going to fix a sinkhole, a pothole that's turned into a sinkhole. So that's the plan today. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so we just pulled up to the Home Depot and now we're getting ready to go in and get our stuff.
Correct.
There it is. Just got into Home Depot. We got our stuff that we're going to use for the repair, and we're getting ready to go. So you grab it first. So we're gonna, there's a sinkhole here.
Yeah.
So you stick it right here. See?
It's actually wooden inside.
I don't know if there's any animals in there, but his hand came back out, so we're good. Anyways, the plan today is to fix the sinkhole, and neither one of us have ever done this before, so here it comes. We're gonna fix a hole. Let's go get this stuff. You watch the hole. All right. So we're back here. We got the hole. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure we got our safety equipment. Gloves. Other than that, we didn't really have any other safety equipment. I guess that we should wear proper shoes.
Actually, I think I would.
Yeah, maybe some boots. Maybe some safety glasses. I think we see some of the hole, but I think the plan is to open it up all the way.
Wait,
See
can I
really
try
how
that?
big the hole is. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is so heavy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, why is this so heavy?
So while he's knocking the hole out, I'm gonna go get some more stuff. Man, that's a heavy bag.
Notice his hammering techniques. There's nothing easy about this. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, let's not do it like that. Alright, let me see the hammer. Let's see if I can. Yeah?
Alright, well, let's put this in there.
You should do that. What? You said that the sun is better
Look at that.
than the bad.
Huh? Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I think you're way better at it.
Okay, so let's pour some more of this in.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you made a mess.
That's okay, that's okay. Alright, let's drive over it.
Okay.
Come on. Get your gloves back on.
It honestly looks really good.
I mean, listen. It is what it is. Alright, your thoughts?
We're gonna need to wash the wheels.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, what would we give this? Would we give this an A for effort? Would we give this a B? Would we give this a C? Did we completely fail?
I think I'll give it a C.
A C? Listen, we filled up a hole. Maybe temporarily, but we filled a hole. So, give me a 5. Let's say goodbye to the people.
Bye.
So listen, maybe we didn't fill it up great. Maybe it wasn't the best hole filling experience that you've ever seen. But bottom line is that we accomplished our goal. We filled up a hole.
It's just probably gonna dry.
Who knows? It might dry. Who knows? We might have to pay a professional to come and fix it. But we had fun. All right. We're out of here. Let's go to Starbucks.